Hey everybody, this is a quick informational video. We got a 2006 Highlander and we're going to be installing a hitch. It is a Reese 51155 right there. It's a pretty simple installation. What you have to do is so right here underneath the vehicle you got a little grommet here, plastic protector thing. You're gonna pull that out, and this tow bar right here, or tow hook, you're gonna unscrew these two bolts. They're 14 mils, and on the other side as well. So if the thread is messed up where you can't get the bolts in, so for example you try and screw the bolt in and it's just not going in, you can get what's called a thread chaser kit. This is made by Lang, and now this kit has a lot of different sizes, but what you want to do is look here, and you have M10 by 1.25. So right here I got an M10 by 1.25, and what you do is you screw it in, and this actually cleans the thread. You know, if it's got rust all over it, this cleans it. Now unless it's really bad, if you got a thing, then you gotta use a tap and die, where you gotta recut the thread. But this is a worst case scenario. A lot of times if it's just minor rust, just where it's not, the bolt's not going in, you can use a thread chaser like this and basically screw it in, it cleans it. Alright, so you can use a 14 mil to remove this. This side, because it's got this tow hook here, this side you don't have to worry about any threads being bad or damaged. It's just this one right here that you might have to worry about, depending on if you're in a state where there's a lot of rust. And now just remove the tow hook adapter from the other side. Alright, so now it's time to put the hitch on. And this is that thread chaser that I was talking about. Normally if the thread's really damaged, you screw it in. Make sure it's the right size thread chaser, and you use a wrench to screw it in and then unscrew it, and that actually reshapes or takes off the rust. So for example, like this one, if you'd have to do that, you do it like, oh, you get the point. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pause this for now. Now once you put the bolt in, this washer has to be this way. So right here, this has to bite into the unibody, the frame rail. So it's gonna go like this. Alright, so we got the hitch mounted. Now we just gotta screw everything in. And you're gonna tighten, you're gonna use a torque wrench to tighten it to 38 foot-pounds of torque. Alright, and here's the final product. So hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.